The love of your life should be the love of your life. The first time I read that quote, I thought I understood it. The person you choose to be the love of your life should be someone you genuinely love. I read it, thought about how I would have rephrased it, and went on about my day. It wasn't until hours later, when I was alone thinking about it, that I realized I'd put the emphasis on the wrong word. The love of your life should be the love of your life. You are the center of your existence and your longest running commitment. In everything you are involved in everything you choose to do, your life's greatest aspiration should be to love your life. No one is coming to be more committed to you than you are to yourself, because no one can. You are the love of your life. My wish for you is the unconditional love of self and the ability to let go of everything that causes you to feel anything but love